I'm here again. So welcome to my YouTube page, my YouTube channel. So if you're just joining us, welcome. Please ensure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. And this video that you're watching here, which is common CV mistakes that tailors make, is a continuation of the previous video on how to create CV as a tailor. So if you have not watched that video on how to create CV as a tailor, it's just the previous video. I would need you to go and watch that, or maybe when you're done watching this, then you go back to watch it so that you understand where we're coming from. So we have talked about the different ways that you can create CV, the kind of applications that you can use to create your CV, why you need a CV, the things that you need to put in your CV. And I remember in that previous video, I promised that there's going to be a free template at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end. Now, before we start talking about the mistakes that you guys make that makes them fling your CV out when they see it, please, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? You have not. So what are you waiting? Why are you looking at me right now? Click the subscribe button now. Do it now. Don't say after the video. Do it now. Aha, that's what we're saying. Thank you. Thank you. And always also remember to share this video. Okay, share it on your page. Share it. It's free to share. I mean, Philly is giving to you. Philly, you should give. Okay, so some common mistakes that you make. One is spelling errors. Oh my. You don't know how there's so many things that employers are looking out for. Some of it is, does this person pay attention to details when they were done creating the CV? Did they go back to read to check if they were spelling errors? So that's one thing you should do. Anything you write, even if it's not CV, always go back to check. I remember there was a time someone applied with us at Losodium. And by the way, we have some vacancies. So if you're watching this video and you need a vacancy in a fashion house for sewing tools department, you can send us a DM. Valid only at the time that's where we uploaded this video. So you can send us a DM on IG at Losodium. So the same name that you're seeing, our page name is the same on Instagram. So send us a DM that, oh, you said you needed you had a open role for a sales representative. I'm saying this slowly so that I don't know the mic. So I say that as if I want to whisper to you guys, but this is the only valid. So in case you are watching this video like 1 year after this video was posted, please, no, I don't know, it's not valid again. Don't go and send us a message that you need a job. But yes, there's an open role for a sales representative. So just send us a message on Lucidium on Instagram and then tell us that, oh, you watch your YouTube and you like to apply for the role of a sales representative for our sewing tools business. Okay. So I was talking about that spelling mistakes. So you want to write Tailor, Tailor, and you wrote Tailor, Talor. So you skipped the I, not because you don't know the spelling, but maybe autocorrect just did that magic thing. I don't know. They have a witness where you write correct spelling, but autocorrect will change it to something else for you, or even change the entire word. Maybe you want to write but but, it changes it to bet, bet. Has it happened to you before? Write it in the comments that yes, oh, yes, oh, autocorrect, they do wonders. So you need to go back to check. Okay, check your spacing, check your spellings. It's very important. Another one is you describing your actual skill sets, not just saying I'm a tailor, I'm a tailor, but you're a tailor. What do you do? Are you a tailor that is specialized in bridal wear, in ready to wear, in making trousers? What's your strength? Don't just say I'm a tailor. You are not just a tailor. You specialize in something. I'm a tailor. No. So that's another common mistake. Another one is an overcrowded or poorly structured CV. That's why we have taken time to help you create a template. So you're not putting so many things in that CV. Your CV, they say bring CV, you have 5 pages. Why? What's going on? Who's going to read it? Your CV should short, precise, captures the major things that needs to be created. Don't put in your CV that I used to sell egg. How does a CV that you are using to apply for tailoring position has to do with selling egg? Except if you are applying for a sales role. But tailor, we need to know the skills that you can do and the places that you have used these skills before. All right. So don't let it be too overcrowded, meaning like the things you're putting there is too much. So please make sure that you watch the end so that you can see that you can know how to get the free templates so that you don't even stress yourself. It's a made for you template and it's free. Okay, it's free. So it's not like it's free. All right. So another one is you not listing out your achievements. So if you watch the previous video, we talked about how you can put in your achievements. Okay, and I gave examples of some. So please watch that previous video. You cannot put your achievements, don't belittle your achievements. Anything is achievements. Achievement is that you successfully finish the training in this and this. So put it part of your training. Achievement is, oh, I've created over 50 dresses. Kiniko, kiniko. Put it there. Okay, maybe you're not counting, right? But put things that you know that you've been able to create courses, or I've been able to do draping, or I've been able to work with so companies. Put it there. Okay, or I organize a training. Maybe you are a fashion instructor. Oh, I organize a training with this and I trained so number of students. And at the end, the students are able to do this and that. Put it there. Okay, put it there. Please, it's very, very important. All right, so I'm going to tell you how you can get that template. Now, the template, like I said, captures all the things that I've said and more. Ideally, I'll have said, oh, let pay us and let us create the CV for you. But instead, we decided to do it in a way that it is free. You can just edit it. So it's like let me use this book as an example, right? I don't know if you can see it very well. So it's like, oh, we just this thing, the front page of this book now, it is designed already. So what you just do, like this economy now is the brand name. You just edit it and put your name. This academic conference something, you just edit it and put what you want to put there. So you don't need to bother like, oh, this one that is here, am I supposed to put it here or put it here or put it here? Mm-mm. It has been structured for you, okay, and it's free. And it also comes with other templates like for fashion owners as well. So if you're a fashion designer, this template also works for you. And not everything that we're saying is not only for tailors alone. Fashion design, remember I said in previous video that I have a CV and I'm updating it from time to time. If I do any major project, do any major training, I'm putting it there. I'm upgrading it from time to time. So that CV, that template rather, is available for you to get on Seller. However, it is a free template, but you need to get the ebook. There's an ebook that we created for fashion designers and tailors. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Solving Tailors and Staff Problems. Okay, and that ebook is for fashion designers and tailors. So that ebook contains what to say when you go for an interview, how to tell your boss, communicate to your boss that increase my salary. How to become a better tailor, how to upgrade your skills, all of that. And even as a fashion designer, how to work with staff, how to work with customers, how to deal with the challenges that comes with having staff and tailors, how to ensure your tailors meet deadlines. So it's a very valuable book, and you have 3 free templates when you get that book. You have the tailor CV, the full templates, not auto. It's already done for you. You just edit your names. Okay, the tailor CV, you have a template that helps with training of tailors. So if you have a new tailor, how do you train them? How do you help them grow, become better? Then how to calculate this tailor that has been working here for how many months? Have they been growing? For example, let's say you are paying them a certain amount and you feel like they are not doing too enough for the money that you are paying them. Maybe they only do one entire cloth in a week, and then as you are shouting, talking, they say, boss is always nagging. So there's a template there that else you even give them that template too. They can mark that this is what I did. At the end of the month, they can see you only made 5 complete dresses in a whole month. They can see it there. So it's easy. You can call them in and tell them this is where you need to work on. Okay. All of this these days, instead of using mouth to say everything, structure your business. Okay. So that ebook, the price is 5,000 naira. But as at now, that is check the day when this video was posted. As at now, there's a present discount that is running for 2,000 naira. Okay, the discount allows you to pay 2,000 naira for the ebook. So if you're watching this book maybe months later or weeks later, the price might have gone back to 5,000 naira. But you can send us a message at Losodium on Instagram or You can also check the description button, or I'll also attach the phone number that you can reach out to here on WhatsApp. Just send a message on WhatsApp that I need the ebook. So they'll send you a link, a seller link, or maybe I can also attach a link to the description on this video that would help you access the ebook. So you just pay. When you pay, you also get the free templates for your CV. Okay, so please, again, in case that you didn't subscribe the first time I said it, this is the time for you to subscribe. This is the time for you to repent and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Remember that we also have several videos on this page, like draping courses, pattern making, how to sew, mentorship advices, how to be a better fashion designer, and all of that. It's down. We have some videos like that. So in case you are just watching our videos for the first time, these are some of the videos that you can get on our page. So check your our page, shop, do everything, add to your cards, and watch these videos. Okay. Thank you so much for watching to this time, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.